Hi, I'm Pascal, co-founder of Caplena, the professional tool to analyze customer feedback. Are you working for a customer-centric company and are looking for a tool to analyze customer feedback and turn it into real actionable insights? Well, you're in luck. Caplena is the only self-service AI text analysis platform that allows you to stay in full control of your market research. Just like you, Join, a German streaming provider, came to us with a very specific problem. Caplena, we have so much customer feedback, but so little time to analyze it. Well, thanks to our AI, Join was able to cut the analysis time by 90%, enabling them to deliver high quality and real-time insights to all their stakeholders in UX, product, and marketing. If you're also working as a customer experience, user experience, or insight professional in general, well then stay with me and learn how to take your open ends, be it from online reviews or survey responses, and turn them into valuable insights automatically without compromising on quality. But first, let's take a step back and take a look at why we're even collecting open ends. Well, first, users love to give open-ended feedback and they find multiple choice boring. That's just a fact. Second, open ends are less biased. You do not provide the possible choices, but the users can express their free opinion. And third, open ends are endless in the amount of insights you can get out of them if you just have the right methodology and the right tools. But analyzing customer feedback can be cumbersome and costly. That's why we've built Caplena, the do-it-yourself tool that is powered by state-of-the-art artificial intelligence. We automated the entire process from detecting topics to assigning sentiments to all your data. We do this in a quality that is on par with a full manual analysis, also called manual coding. Additionally, Caplena allows you to build stunning visualizations that allow you to share your insights across the entire organization. Lastly, customers love how easy it is to analyze open ends with Caplena. They say, "Oh, that was surprisingly fun." Having a tool like Caplena in your team allows you to become the insights hub in your company. You can combine online reviews and survey responses into a cohesive picture, empowering your teams to make smarter decisions. What's next? Get started today and try Caplena for free. Experience yourself how easy it is to analyze open-ended feedback with AI.